where the mind is without fear, there the head is held high. How I have to conduct myself, what all qualities I need to carry, what are the values I need to follow. So if this is very clear with an individual, then I think they can walk fearless with the head held high. So I think my students are to be like that. Myself, Lakshmi Prabha. I stepped into the school in the year 2009 as a founding principal. So my teaching experience was 12 years as on date in 2009. And today I stand as 32 years plus as an experienced educationist. So over these years, every year when we start our plan and process of the school, I would rather think that the institution in future should become a process-driven institution instead of believing on any person. So we started streamlining all the processes, and we do not just have one leader, though principal is a position. I want to make the institution that there are many leaders and every leader has their own authority and responsibility and they work in their own areas. If I have to say, like 2020, we actually got the National Education Policy, and this year is also announced by CBSE, a year of STEM. So even before this, 3 years back, we opened our STEM lab in the school. You know, the NEP 2020 brings out a very important point that there is no hard separation between the curricular and co-curricular activity. So both has to be balanced well. So in our school, we have regularly appointed teachers for dance, music, yoga, art, craft. So every student get an opportunity to take up or to learn the basics of all these. One of the components that to be NEP ready is a hybrid learning, or I would say like the ICT integration. So of course our school is very well in that. And we know that ICT cannot be separated from the education. So what we do in school is how much ever we can make use of the digital tools. So in order to share more information or to make the comprehension more easy, or to ponder upon many questions which will lead to thinking process. Keeping all this in mind, that digital tools are added in the school, one of which is Extramarks.
Namaste, this is Shamito of grade 12. Being a proud student of PVM, I have been studying here for the past 7 years. I would say I have developed myself more as the technology has got developed, and my time management skills have been more efficient nowadays.
Being a physics teacher, I find Extramarks as a wonderful tool because a few concepts in physics requires a 3D dimension visualization, which is provided excellently by Extramarks through the video animations.
When we take Extramarks, they have done some research and they have involved experts and they have designed a program, and videos, the questions, all that is generated are by the hands of those experienced professionals. So in that way, I felt that that would greatly help my children, as well as it will help the teachers also to prepare their lessons, to also prepare the question papers and so many things. So keeping this in mind, we took up Extramarks. So when a child takes responsibility of their own learning, if they are able to learn by themselves a particular part and they come to school with that and enable more thinking and in discussions, I think that is what I envision about PVM in future.